Today is the day that the Lord hath made. Well, He made all of them, but it's Sunday, and it's the perfect day to clean out one's purse so that when we go worship Him, we are prepared and we have everything we may need, and nothing runneth over. Every lady knows an overstuffed purse isn't becoming a lady. So let's take some time to refresh it, pick a new one if you so choose, something that will fit all you may need for the day and the week to come. Having a proper space to keep items we like to exchange from time to time makes this process more enjoyable, especially if those items are organized and in colors and prints you love. Make sure the things you put within your purse are the right size for it. This is something I'm still working on myself. This Bible was a great find, as before I used to try to stuff a larger one in a purse this size. I simply typed in vintage blush Bible and it was the first one that was suggested to me. It was secondhand and now no longer available, but when it arrived, I was so pleased with its pocket size, perfect for any purse. While a lady may feel like her life is in order if her purse and home are, if she so much as sits in a dirty car, her world will no doubt fall apart. Or is that just me? If it's the kids' problem, grab one. Get them in that back seat and don't let them leave until they've picked up every goldfish and scrap of paper. Actually, if you make it an enjoyable time, you will have one by your side in no time, especially if there's a special treat they earn for later. This evening, my home is a reflection of the rest I allowed myself to have, because it's what was needed. In a world that values the go, 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 never stop mindset, we know better. Even God, in all His glory, took a day for rest. In this 2022 Christmas planner by Hilary of Old World Home, she wrote on Sunday to rest. Without rest, we will not function well. If you're in a bad mood, irritable, or your work seems less than par, oftentimes the cure is to simply rest and get up early the next day. It is my prayer that these videos be a blessing to you, your family, your home, and all you may invite in. Allow God to use you to make this world a more beautiful place, because in doing so, we will leave a legacy felt for generations to come.
For most of my years here on YouTube, I have been in the season of caring for little ones, running on full steam all day long to simply accomplish the tasks that I set for myself, with room to stop and give attention to those that need me. That may be one of the most challenging parts of motherhood right now, just the non-stop interruption and breaking of my focus on one task to attend to another. I have watched you for years seemingly glide through motherhood, literally in fact, and it was your morning routines that always stuck with me. I longed for the days when I could finally get a full night's sleep again and have the motivation to wake in those early hours to get some uninterrupted time to focus on the tasks that I wanted to accomplish, to have quiet time in nature, in God's Word, and in my work. I know you are farther along in your motherhood and homemaking than I am, and my kids will not be little forever, so I'm daily trying to balance enjoying those interruptions that will not go on forever and that I will miss desperately, with my desire to accomplish personal goals and keep a tidy home. Thank you for setting an example of a woman filled with grace who cares for herself and her family well, and who makes the most of each day she is given.
This video was brought to you by our patrons and all those who've purchased from the Inspired by Nikki store. Thank you. I'm grateful for all of my returning subscribers. Your continued support and kind words are an inspiration to me. I want to welcome you if you are new and invite you to subscribe to be inspired daily to make the everyday beautiful.